Hernandez, and it's Anthony, Your Honor. He has two cases.
Good morning, Mr. Hernandez.
Buenos días, señor Hernandez.
Buenos días, señor.
Good morning,
We're
sir.
charged with two very serious cases. You were charged with driving while intoxicated. You were also charged with tampering with a government record. You just had a tampering dismissed 2 weeks ago, and now you have another one. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. On the tampering case, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. On your DWI, you were facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
On March 16, 2025, an officer observed a vehicle and ran the tag that observed N, which was found to have no return. Traffic stop was initiated. The officer observed it and with slow roll and missed multiple opportunities to safely pull over. The officer made contact with the defendant and observed the odor of alcoholic beverage in the vehicle. The officer also observed two 40-ounce glasses of Modelo, both open and at 40%.
Drinking while driving?
Yes, sir.
The officer requested the defendant exit the vehicle and the defendant was detained. The defendant declined to answer any questions and center as what's right tests were conducted. The officer observed 6 out of 6 on the stand, 5 out of 8 on the walk return, and 2 out of 4 on the one leg stand. The defendant sent to a breath test, and the results of which were 0.135 and 0.133. While at JPC, the defendant admitted that the identification card provided was fictitious. The officer reviewed the identification card, and the identification card had a fictitious date of birth, and his first name was listed as middle name, and the card had no holes. He was also very flimsy, and the letter was not consistent with normal federal identification.
Mr. Hernandez, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. I would hope that you recognize it's damn elementary that you're not to have alcohol in the car while you are driving. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. I don't give a rat's behind what your excuse is. If I find that you drive, I will have a contempt of court hearing. You could be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you drive. You are not allowed to drive. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Is he here on an asylum claim? Does he have status here?
Judge, I'm not sure if asylum is the right word, but he does have an avenue through immigration based on him being the victim of the violent crime.
Not in this country with permission, and you go to jail. What happens?
What was the question? Please.
¿Qué pasa si tú andas a la cárcel y inmigración te encuentra? ¿Qué pasa? That's what you need to think about when you're out there in the free. You're ordered now not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. And I'm going to put a monitor on you so I know that you're not consuming. This is the promise that you're going to be signing with me, Mr. Hernandez. And I want you to understand, I will do everything in my power to protect my public at all costs. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Seguro? Yes, sir.
If you were here because you were a victim, or if you were a victim of a violent crime, you have no clue what happens in our jails on a daily day basis. There are some parts of the jails that are so bad, officers won't even go. Keep that in mind when you're out there, because if I find that you break any of these bond conditions, I will put you in jail. And if you're unlucky enough, you will get a detainer and you will sit there and you will be stuck like Chuck until these cases are over with. And then you get shipped off to immigration. You get no more warnings from us. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance, but you're ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. I'm going to randomly test you. For now, I will have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. After that, you'll get with breach off of your bond conditions. After that, you'll be free to go. Be very careful. No more warnings, Mr. Hernandez. Okay, thanks. For the time being, I'm going to put a scram on him, so I know that he's not using. I'll pay for it.